Ninja one call a bug and name, so you don't wanna know. Long Ninja, you call me name, call me name. Wonder why the Ninja call the flower gun.
All right, folks. So, what we are going to do now, we are going to go into a very historic moment. We are going to interview the big man that is Megah Banton, the legend. All right. So before, let's just introduce him properly and just let the people them know exactly where you fit in, you know, in terms of where, you know, who I am. So I just want to let you know from when you came out as an artist, I think we first heard of you in 1993. I have got a whole heap of gal pick the numbers and crying out all kind of sitting under the influence of your music and your lyrics. So first of all, thank you very much for that.
Yeah,
How
bro,
you doing,
blessings,
sir?
man.
Good morning.
Give thanks, you know. I'm
Yes,
good,
sir.
man. I'm good here, you know, maintaining, giving thanks for life, you know.
Yes, sir. Done.
Yeah,
No.
man, can't complain. It could have worse, you know.
Done. No. What I mean, first of all, I have to say, of the DJs then that bust through the 90s, you know, everybody have them DJ and rare. I must say, I can't say there's one DJ because that wouldn't fear, because everybody's in their own lane. But I have, I call them four, okay? So it's four horsemen me have, yeah?
Yeah.
Hawkeye, I interviewed him the other day. That's one of them. And you, my friend, are one of the four horsemen. You know, to bring in and usher in the end of the world, to done the world with music. You see me?
Every time. Every time. Every
Yes,
time.
sir.
Huh?
Yes, sir. So before we go into what we're going to go into, I just want you to quickly introduce yourself to the people them and let them know who you are, what you're dealing with, all the rest of it.
Well, you don't know, if I would don't know, you know, it's Megah Banton, you know, the Soundboy Killer as they brand me.
Yes, sir.
I brand myself. You know, started out in 1992, you know, going to school, St. Andrew Technical High School. You know what I mean? Wanted to become a doctor as my parents. Well, that's what my parents wanted, my mom. You know, but, you know, going to school, you know, you take a different road. Sometimes it's not even you find where you do it. Sometimes it's where what happened just find you. You know what I mean?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So, you know, while going to school, you know, I developed a love for music, you know, internally, and decided, you know what I mean? I wanted to take it and pursue a career in music. Do it, you know, forward with it. And I got all the motivation from my classmates who said, yo, you can't play with this talent you have.
Yeah.
Because you was born with it. You just find out now that you really want to take it further. So you can't itch on it. You know, so you have to just deal with it right away, brother, and ramp with it. And then used to force me, because me I said, nah, man, I say, that's why I'm not ready for that yet, man. And you know, lunchtime, you know, we go around the school back, you know, them beat the decks, them around there, all the vibes, DJ take the DJ whole time till lunch up, break, we do the same thing. When school over, we do the same thing. You know what I mean? Till them start get serious, and I say, listen to me. You need to go do music, you know. I mean, I say, your mad mother go kill me. You ever try this? I said, no, you have to go do music. So, I say, all right, let me do a thing then. You know, so after that, now going school, still doing, you know, a little rehearsal practice, as I call it, behind the school and thing. You know, a stage show was in my community, close by here. And thing, you know, because we used to sing Barry's, you know, John Walt, you know, Alton Ellis, well, for them maestro there.
Yes, sir.
Dennis Brown, Gregory Isaac, you will name it. We used to sing the one of the maestro song. You know, DJ some Buju Banton songs, same that one.
Yes,
you know the whole work, Shabarangs, you know the whole work, see?
Yes, sir. So out of the two, I mean, I know that you have in your voice is very versatile, so you can DJ and you can sing. I know this. But why did you at that point decide to DJ?
Well, because you know what happened now. I'm going to tell you exactly how it's going to. Watch this now. So after the little stage show on my way now, Ricky General, because we live in the same community.
Yes.
Ricky General was the one who steal me out of the house and came around at the stage show and thing.
Yes.
I don't know if you heard of Beaker Bailey. Well,
yes, shocking vibes. That. Yeah.
Beaker Bailey. Beaker Bailey was the one who was the MC at the time. So
yeah, Beaker Bailey bad still. Bad.
Yes. So Beaker Bailey called me up on the stage, and when I first went on the stage, I fell off the rhythm. So the people was like, this run till they was like, because I fell off the rhythm and stuff and thing. So them say, give him another chance. Because him sound like him bad. But give him another chance because we hear him. And then, because a boom and time the rhythm and catch the rhythm right. And when we catch the rhythm, the people them say, Jesus Christ. I hit this. So from this, because I kind of boss quick to, you know. So from this, you know.
Yeah, of course.
People them, you know, the people them say, yo, I him at the next thing.
Yeah.
So, you know, I end up start go studio from school now.
Yeah.
So I leave school now, I leave stats now. I used to go run a Scorpio.
Yes.
Run a Scorpio and thing. And just record. Them time I don't really have no name. They must say, yo, you know, say, you have one Banton still, but we have to find one name for you. One little name Black Mice, one artist named Black Mice.
Yeah, I remember Black Mice, yeah.
Him give me name. Him say, you know, say, Megah Banton if your name. Because the similarity with Bujo too, and all these things.
Yes.
And the look, see him, and the, you know what I mean? Them say, yeah, Bujo, Megah Banton if your name. So from there, so it stick, you know?
And you know the mad thing? The mad thing that you said, right, which surprised me, because when you said it, me eye pop out of my head. It's like, you said that you went on stage and you chuck off a rhythm. I'm like, what? Yeah. Because of all of the artists from, you know, I love reggae music and, you know, I study. So when I listen, you know, when a man can't catch the rhythm good, you say, you know, you ride the rhythm or sit down on rhythm. But I've noticed that you, once you get on the horse, that is the rhythm. You don't sit down, you gallop on it. And
yeah, man. Well, remember them time. With them time, they were me I tell you about me, I like 16, going 17 years old.
All right. So you have
and
to
at the first, I go up on a stage for the first, I go DJ on a rhythm. On a stage show, the first, I go do all of this thing.
Yes, sir.
You know what I mean? So, you know, he's always our first start.
Yeah.
You know, so from this, you know, I start record for Scorpio and. You know, all of these hit songs, me record them, go home.
Yeah.
Record, go home. You know, without my mother knowing, she don't know nothing.
Yes, sir.
You still feel like they go to school, go do. Go do that kind of things and all them something. But after a time, you know, song them come out and run the place and she starts sing them and I know what I mean either.
Yeah, man.
And, you know, it was a joy, you know.
Yeah, I can imagine. It
was a joy, man. And you know, the music take we all over the world, you know, and keep with focus and up front and firm up to this day, you know what I'm saying?
Of course.
Because in between the time, you know, we always sing some classic music where, you know, I go last long. And we did those things on purpose too.
Yes.
You know what I mean? I did that purposefully. Like him and song called Some Boy Killing.
Yeah.
Some Boy Killing and Wrong or Right was executed purposefully, knowing that Scorpio was and still is, you know, one of the mogul them in the sound system.
Yeah, definitely.
Fraternity. So,
big general.
So man always follow the sound system from back then, and I say, all right, sound system is somewhere always I go be around. So I can do a song or two songs where every sound man I go want to play them.
Yes, sir.
At all times. So that is where we execute the sound working and Wrong or Right.
You
know what I mean?
So I mean, many of your tune them that you did on Scorpio that came out in 1993. That's when I first heard you. All them tune there, and then of course, many people, as you said, would compare you to Buju.
Yeah.
But then I heard something in '95, and it let me know, okay, this guy is going to the next lane here. This is something else. So it was clear that you, it seemed like, from 1995, I mean, you're always on, you're a Scorpio man. You, Ricky General, Sneak Man, and, you know, a couple others. But it seemed like you kind of joined, or you were a frequent participant of Shocking Vibes.
Yeah.
So when the Urkel tune come out, that's the one I'm talking about there.
Yeah, no, well,
yes.
Shocking Vibes scenario, no, it was with Tanto Metro and Devante.
Yes.
What I went there to do was to do a project with them, like an album project.
Yes.
Because they had an album that I was working on at the time, and then, you know, me and Tanto been cool.
Yeah.
Devante, we've been cool. So we formed a little clan named the DTM clan. within Shocking Vibes.
I
where
see.
it was me, Tonto, and Devante at the time. You know, so we was a part of the crew in a Shocking Vibes crew.
I see.
You understand? If you understand what I'm saying. So while there now, you know, we went there to do the project with them, the album and thing, and you know, just being there, rhythm are gonna come up, project are gonna come up where you have to automatically be a part of eventually.
Yes.
So that's what really happened now. Me did know. After me take a little venture from Scorpio, because I want to go out and explore, you know, other studios and other sound and other vibes, you know. And compare and you know the thing go. You see, so come end up a Shocking Vibes now, I end up there do some work there, you know. I mean, I went on tour with them too.
Yes.
And you know, complete the project with Tanto Metro, Devante, voice and some Shocking Vibes classic bangers.
Classics.
Yeah.
And
so
you know,
Urkel Dance as I mentioned, well,
yo, that tune there.
All right. Urkel Dance, right?
Yeah.
If you notice, I think it's only one dance song I ever do.
Yeah. I don't recall
it's only one.
Yeah.
And it's because of really Snaggapus, because Snaggapus was, you know, it's a man of little dance him too. And I say, you know, so I do a dance song.
Tatty, reggae funky, yeah.
Yes. So I say, man, you know, so I do a dance song, I try it. And I say, what you mean, man? And I remember say, you can do anything anywhere. He said, all right, I'm giving the confidence. So I say, all right.
Yeah.
Right. So come and do that song, you know, and the song come out and classic.
Yo.
Every day under the news, then come again. Classic again. You see me? So, you know, it's a journey where we go Shocking Vibes and we learn a lot of things too, you know, we inherit a lot of things.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? You know, we gain success throughout the same way, you know what I mean? And everybody happy, the fans happy. And the saga continue, the journey continues. You know, brother?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
all right.
So
yes, sir. So before I go into what I want to go into, which is the tune them, just quickly, I just need this for record, you know, for the sake of documentation. Is there one particular artist, like a DJ, that you look at and say, yo, that was my inspiration?
Well, you say Buju Banton and Buru Banton. You know, Buru Banton was the general.
Original Banton,
well,
yes.
The general.
Yes, sir.
And then Buju Banton and then Megah. I have Willy Banton. I have Adi Banton. I can't tell Adi Banton him name to you.
Yeah. Anthony Banton.
Anthony Banton.
Yes.
Instead of all of them are same Banton family come down and you have Frisco Banton.
Yes.
You have Willy, you have Skinny Banton to in a Swoka. You know, Willy for them.
Yeah.
You know
I think Job is that one you named Flicker Banton.
The Willy for them.
Willy
for them, I can't remember some of them better, but you know, one Banton family same here. So I really Bujo. You see me? Get a vibes and an inspiration from. Because I don't know, you know, we straight with the summer. We're not really big friend, but you know,
give props where it's due. Yeah, I understand.
Yes, so that's the thing there, brother.
Yes.
You know what I mean?
Yes.
Yeah, man. But otherwise, on that, you know, we listen to different genres of music. We listen to every genre of music.
You know? Yeah, I can hear it. I can hear it in your tune.
Yeah, all right. We listen to everything, brother.
You're definitely a man that ain't just some dancehall, reggae, something. I know that you listen to everything because the way
listen to everything,
the melodies that we have is not just from reggae. It's from
because remember, say music is not just going on a track and just DJing line and just DJing.
No,
melody is very important. So I tell all the cats them and you know what I mean the dancehall artists them when come up on them thing. Like, melody is very important.
Yes.
You know what I mean? You know, sometimes you name have a DJ and a bag of lyrics. You know.
No,
they catch a nice melody with the people them catch on and that's it. You know.
Even though I must say you do more time chat about the lyrics. So yeah.
Yes, but I do, you know. But listen.
But that's good.
I do in a melodious form.
Yes, I know. Yes, sir.
Yeah, it's not just DJ. Because we can DJ.
Yeah.
We can DJ our lyrics 36, 40 bars straight.
Yeah.
But if I do it in a melodious form.
Definitely.
It's gonna
be
lyrics
hard.
Exactly. So you know, yeah man, if you're not 100, me no bother with it, brother. It's not 100 or it's gonna do it, isn't it?
I hear you.
And you know, I just this is the thing there, you know, and we just there see me I do a thing, man, not no change, man.
Yes, sir. All right then. So as you know, as I told you before, I'm gonna play 5 tunes. I've stuck a pin in 5 tunes throughout your career. These tunes blow my mind, but I just want to know what the story is behind the tune, how they came together, you know, and right. So we're gonna go to 1998. That's where we're gonna start. So we're gonna cut out the beginning. We're gonna start from 98. There was a rhythm that that Shocking Vibes did. It was called the Craze Rhythm. Okay.
Yes. Yes.
Beanie Man did a song which was on an album, and of course the rest I showed them. You know, because what it is, what I actually do, more time when a rhythm will come out, and unless it's on an album or unless people can download it, it's just gone.
Yes.
So this is 1998. So if you didn't get the 5 to 5, you don't have the tune. Simple.
Yes.
So these are the type of tune them that I'm gonna ask you to talk about. So this one, name is called, well, for the sake of the people, them, it's called Check the Facts. All right.
Yeah.
So
yeah.
Hold on, I'm just gonna play some of it, stop it, and then we'll talk about it. All right, you ready?
Yeah, man.
Boom.
Yeah, man.
Some boy be so much this cutlass. The moment I stop complaining, say, oh, them a mess. Anyway, some boy now slam them girl right now all. So them girlfriend now run away. When them in a bed and make love of my name she call. But still that never bother me, yo. Make it was in a night or when rain and fall. Me have a bugger, girl a follow me then. Girl a carry me, go buy me a quote more mall. Big up sheer car, we have no girl be wine. From time to time, check the box wood boy no one burn. And a shoe wind and me climb over open. When me ready to go up the thing they turn. And we know we are inside. Now that one we mind me no carry no. But man no learn. So when Stephanie get it, Maria get it, Angela get it, it's gonna be worse than murder. I'll wanna be a locker today when the sun feels so hot. And no ends pick up and no girl works the mash. Me jump in on me car, take the time on me watch. Broke a stop like drive to nearly crash. The woman there me yard, but enough girl me got this. And I'm gonna work to a grind, get the props. Love where girl get it sweeter than scotch. Hey, girls forget about cash. You know say enough time, it have many time. Back to back, girl surround me house like the team near SWAT. Jump on me fence and I try pick me lock. With me in the sun, me boss off the top.
Yo!
Yeah, man.
Brother!
Yeah.
Brother! Well,
Yeah, man.
Yo.
All right.
Yes, sir.
It's a song you know, right? That song you know. Yeah, that song come out now. Frisco Kid, you know. We did a Shocking Vibes one day. Me and Tanto Metro, Devon. The whole of we did it.
Yeah.
And Frisco Kid driving. I think him, I don't remember where him said him stop and I come from.
Yeah.
But I'm just end up drive, come up at the studio and thing, and we did it. And the rhythm that play. Cause you know normally like when, let me tell you how Shocking Vibes you know. It's like when we up a Shocking Vibes and like a project will come out now, the rhythm are playing at the yard and everybody are all vibes. Them different vibes. Cause Shocking Vibes big, everyone just hold a different corner. And sometimes group corner, it depends. And all them little vibes and thing. So now Frisco Kid now is a man where him drive in and I say, John was star, cause him love call the girl him pepper seed,
Yeah.
It's a bit so. Him come in and say, John was star, yo. You want to see that pepper seed that we just fired a while ago? You want to see that pepper seed, yeah? And I'm excited about it and think I've been there watching, but I say, John was star. I look at things, say, me no one bird, I look at, some man. And I talk about a thing. So when I talk now, me a meds and I say, they're going to make a little song after this and I saw come the song they come up,
Woy.
And I did the whole of vibes with it and Tanto Metro I say, Tanto Metro, you hear that melody and thing. I must say, yeah, it gone for the rhythm, I hit.
Yes.
So from this I start, I pencil it out and then device it. Device it. I see him night too. I see him night device it.
Yes.
I think we did go. I think we did go with the next day. I think someone in the islands we go the next day. I don't remember quite well still, but I think so. You know, we go with the next day. I'm a voice it the night.
Yes, sir.
I saw that song they come up. You see me?
Listen, Bridget, I mean, it coming like a crime that tune was not as big as it should have been. It was a big rhythm still, but boy, you know what's going on music sometimes. Sometimes these things will happen and you have to just accept the facts at the cycle. You still put the 100 in it and it don't work out. It's still fine. I mean, somebody still will hear it and love it and know so the energy was up and great today. You know what I mean? Because that's going on with that. And music, so go. You have to give and take, Yeah, of course. Before I drop the next one, I just wanted to mention that I also check it when I go into your tune them, and this from a long time. You're a man that don't just deal with the strong first verse. he get a strong second verse and a strong third verse, and I'm listening to everything. I'm like, yo,
yeah, because
a song,
that's
a full
right.
song.
Remember,
you know?
brother, remember, say, all right, Mr. Man, I don't know, Mr. Man just decides, say, yo, if I'm going to do something, I'm going to do it good and done, you know. If you not do good, you know, make no sense. More in time, somebody listen to a song, them can listen it right out. Them just listen to the first part, and then them say, I'll keep going. Them can listen it right out and start it back again. Listen it right out. Because most of my songs, them are storyline, you know.
I was, it's like coming like a report.
Yeah, so you can actually visualize what I say, why you're listening. You can, you know, you can really emotion.
Yes.
You know, when you listen to a song, them, you know, it's like a storyline me I tell you about. Yeah, follow through. You know what I mean? It's like you can actually relive the moment.
Yes, sir.
Vaguely.
We can see it, smell it, feel it, see the girl, taste it.
Yeah, whatever. Say, brother. I just make it nice.
Yes.
You know, so I just that's the thing there, brother. Because in anything you do, if you not do it 100, it don't make no sense, brother.
Yes,
so you leave
understand.
It alone.
Understand. And
so
I appreciate that.
You know, if it not gonna be 100, me not gonna do it, brother.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You see me? And I saw me keep it from ever since.
Of course. I mean, it shows in your music. So, you know, even without you say so, it's in the music. So, yes. All right. So, tune number 2. We're going to keep it shocking vibes.
Yeah.
And we're going to go to the year 2000. And there was a big rhythm that Shocking Vibes put out. I believe Suko from 21 did build the rhythm. So, again, this was a huge rhythm. And it had a whole heap of tunes, so many artists, and it had some big tune. And this one slipped under the carpet, if you know what I mean. Because I heard your voice. I heard you doing ad-libs for certain people. One of the tune them you did so I think you know you did ad-libs for Captain Barkey. You can hear your voice.
Yes.
Then you did a combination with TOK.
Yes.
Wicked. Now this particular tune, I don't know if you remember it, but this by itself, Rude Boy, was just dirty. But anyway, we're gonna go into it, So ladies and gentlemen, this
you know exactly how we are talking.
Yes, sir. This is the Scarface rhythm. Again, Megah Banton. Unreleased on any album.
Yeah, man, I know what this is. I know what Scarface is.
Yeah, man. So, what are there? Let's roll.
My dad. Anybody will hear the song, I don't like it. I fuss them there. Anybody will like that song, not like fussing. It's not so. I want you here. Love when a girl full of position and skill. Give me the wine for let me would have spend a mill. Big up the shot of them well up y'all subtle. Me up people on fire and up the man still. Love to the girl them would not swallow foul pill. Big up me friend me and the bigger get killed. He a lot joke Jackie when a jack a joke kill. So me up people on fire and that's what the mind still. Would on the have to kill me then. Serious so don't stop off me then. The want some now because me red. Think the queen hard relax. Vampires and in the pretty player ain't a swam me then. Me take on me gun on my body then. The whole for some army play. And this is what the Sean is like. Some boy you make some crowd play. Some woman I love me God to bed. Give me the wine and now me like to keep up like a party like. Give me the girls to talk to them. Brother, listen to me.
Yo!
Listen to me. All right, you see this?
Yes.
Let me tell you what's going on with this now. This song was basically like a demo, you know.
Oh, okay.
Because you know, I have a song with Barky on it.
Yes.
The one with me and Barky was the one where we really like a run with because the combination vibes.
Yeah.
And we did appear out some songs with with some artists on the rhythm too. Because you know, say enough combination song on the rhythm.
Yes.
Couple of them well. So we'd appear out with that. But the song that was like a demo. It wasn't a song where we really run with. We just said put that on it car. I like a head tap there. Me just did it and I don't even know when we write. That was something we just go freestyle off of me.
Yeah.
And look, I know so we can do all of them something too. But I really the song with me and Barky.
Yeah.
Was the song with that run with the hot girl race name.
Yeah, I remember, yeah. Yes. In the first corner,
yes. Yes, sir. That one there was the one with that run with still. But you know, it's all in the game of music too.
Yeah, of course.
You still have to experiment because as along the way, so we do a lot of experiment too in terms of. All right, we say this year I run with, but we could put this here so in case.
Yes.
We have a contingency plan. A plan B. You understand? We put it aside and say, all right, we could see what go on then.
Yeah.
Maybe you never can tell. maybe we say even this way I run it and then other one of the people them like we got you a shocking vibes, we have the opportunity and we have the advantage can do it. Yes. You know, and like we have books too the time somewhere we have to rush.
Yeah.
And I said, why? All right, we have to just get in a one song quick and rush go vibes. No, a shocking vibes so that we're at home.
Yeah.
So we could have do anything, you know, in terms of, you know, just patient and take your time and fix things.
Yes.
You know what I mean, brother? So that was part of the sub we do say, all right, we could have put even 3 songs on already make me want.
Yes.
It wouldn't be a problem because I saw Patrick said the thing. Patrick said the thing away. Yeah. Him love him artist them, rate him artist them, and him, you know, make everything flow right.
Yeah.
And that that's I think with him and Shocking Vibes.
I will say,
Shocking Vibes name stand firm.
Yeah, of course. And you were one of the artists that established that as a major, you know, as a major label. You know.
Yeah, man, listen to me.
Definitely.
But all are crazy vibes are Shocking Vibes.
Yeah.
I tell you, musically, all are crazy vibes, car.
Yeah.
You see the ones them Tanto Metro, Devante, Beanie Man, Frisco Kid, Alicat.
Yeah.
Little Kirk.
Yeah.
Little Lenny too.
Lenny, of course, yes. Hail up Lenny, yes.
Even you know, even with the Tony Kelly, the whole, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Gary, you know, the whole of the youths, them, the whole of the ones, them. It was a family thing where you feel comfortable doing music, brother.
Yes, man. Yes, man.
You understand? So it's not about you go there and then you wonder if, brother, you just feel comfortable to do music and that's why the music them come out so nice.
Yes. Trust me.
You know what I'm saying? Yeah.
Of all of the tune them that you, especially on Shocking Vibes, that's probably my number one for lyrics. And it's like, again, it's like you didn't sit on, but you gallop on the rhythm there because you changed gear. You know what I mean?
All right,
watch like this a party leg. What? Yo!
Yeah, watch this now. Watch this now. See? You know them time that even all right, watch this now. The project them do them time that if you notice, you know, every song on the rhythm them body, you know.
Yeah. That was a hard rhythm. Yeah.
Because watch this now. It's when you have a rhythm, all right, let me tell you how the man them do it at Shocking Vibes now. When them have a rhythm, when them go drop a project on, right? If them say, all right, them will put 10, 15 songs on the rhythm. Just to quote a number. Beanie with voice on the rhythm. And then Beanie Man sang a shot. And the man must say, yo, make sure say every song go near this, you know. Whichever one. All right. Or even Silver Cat.
Yes.
Yeah, Silver Cat was one of the name that we should have mentioned too.
Yeah, I forgot. Yeah, Silver Cat.
As a general. Because you know Silver Cat a general too.
Silver Cat.
So even Silver Cat, anyone that want to cover up.
Yeah.
Yes, Snagger.
Yeah.
With a bad song and they must say, yo, this is the song where everybody have to go follow now, God. In terms of the level weight there. So would have been near us or past this, you know, and say, nah, go right, kill us. Everybody going to them with the car and dig out them song and I say, all right. Look hear it. All right, ready. So you find say every song potent in them one way.
Yes, sir.
You know what I mean?
Definitely.
Every song potent in them one way, brother. Yeah, man, that's so yo, boy, man, tell you. It's a great vibes, brother. Trust me.
Jano star. Jano.
Great vibes.
Amazing.
Yeah, man.
All right. So, I mean, I will say, picking up 5 tunes that I wanted to talk about for you was very hard. Because you're one of my artists, them. So, I mean, even like, you know, back in, you know, when you have an iPod, I had Megah Banton playlist and pure tune for it. You know what I mean? So, when I'm with my bedroom, then we are driving, we're going wherever, put on with Megah Banton tune them, and everybody, I want that. And I'm like, that's Megah B. What? You know? Because the lyrics, before, I mean, people are here like Cartel, Rare, but this is way before any of that.
Yeah.
You were doing all of this in the 90s.
Real, man.
Don't understand. You know, I'm not about the hype people them. I'm about the innovators, the people them that set the trend. So even so, a lot of artists love Stitchy and San. And of course, they're the baddest DJs on. But my DJ from the 80s, even though I was a child, was Major Worries. Because he...
But remember, Major Worries, them are general.
Yes, sir.
Major Worries, them. Remember, say Major Worries, them man they full of style, them man they...
Proper.
Them man they, yo, brother, them...
80s and...
them are general, virgin. All right, you know what the thing now. Want to bring this class, because a lot of time, me hear people say some things, and me I try to make them understand the levels of how this thing I really go.
Yeah.
And why it is like that. No. Them always try to compare 90s music to now. I don't know if you plan to get that at some point.
No. No way.
That's what bring it in.
No way.
Right? The thing about it is the competitive level, right? In the 90s was ridiculous.
Of course.
Remember, everybody have a crew where they work with, right?
Yeah.
You have Shocking Vice crew, you have Main Street crew, you have Jammy's crew, you have Black Scorpio, you have
Gear Them, 2000 crew,
Willy for them.
Willy,
Monster Shock.
Maddows.
Willy for them.
Yeah.
The Main Street.
Yeah.
So watch this now. The competition was very, 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 very,
mm-hmm.
very, very,
very
hard
yeah.
competition. No. Some people wonder why in time you see a 90s juggling come out. And why the song them support them, because it was just competition level.
Yes.
And because most of the artists them DJ upon a sound system.
Yes.
And
learn.
And
mm-hmm.
arrows.
Yes. Dub for dub. Yeah.
Arrows where you have a DJ upon the dub plate and don't stop.
Live. Yes. Exactly. Yeah.
That.
Yeah.
Was a college by itself.
Yes. Yes, indeed.
That's why you see 90s artists themselves
mm-hmm.
prolific and potent.
Yeah, of course. Of course.
Papa San, Stitchy, you know, Tiger, all of them, every wood, General, Worries, every name.
Professor Nuts.
Right now.
Yeah.
All of the Professor Nuts, name it.
Yeah.
There's not one man you can name. All of the man them DJ and sound system.
Yeah. Everybody. Yeah. And they hone their craft. Yeah.
So,
mm-hmm.
you find say the man them learn from the sound system. Then them go arrows now, from the dub plate where you can't stop.
Yeah.
So you see them two stages there in the music. It tops a level. Remember say when you are DJ on sound, you know,
mm-hmm.
it's not like you can go to the man and say, yo, put on my rhythm for me now.
No, sir. If put on the rhythm I play, you have to DJ upon that. All sick rhythm I play, you have to DJ upon that and make your thing
anything where I play at that, you have to DJ upon, brother. Anything where I play at that, you have to DJ upon.
Yes, indeed.
So that's how the 90s, 80s artists them stand out, brother.
Yes,
that,
indeed.
That's what them two some the rest of my name.
Yes.
At them.
Yes.
At them.
Mm-hmm. I understand. I mean, me personally, I don't compare.
The stamina.
Yeah,
of course. Stamina.
Of course.
I eat.
And raw talent. There's no stop and edit and cut this out and all right, go.
I tell you, brother, you couldn't stop, brother.
No.
Yeah, you couldn't stop. So them thing that them thing that build you as an artist.
Yes.
It build your stamina. It build your confidence.
Yes.
It build your momentum, stability.
Yes.
It make you become a monster.
Yes,
in
sir.
Your own self.
Of course.
Yes.
Yes.
So when I sit down and look back, because even when me sit down and look back on them days, I say, boy, it's really a college and a half me go through, you know. And we, me not say me, we.
Definitely.
The whole of the 90s artists, them.
Yeah.
80s artists.
Yeah.
You see me?
Mm-hmm.
So that is a page out of the book of one of them young artists, I think.
Yeah, of course. But
understand. Do research and understand. It's not just going on a rhythm, it's an art form, brother. You know, everything is an art form. And whatever they're doing, it's working for them, you know. I mean, not none of them.
Mm-hmm.
But we could have more potency.
Yes, understand. If
there was research doing.
Yes, that's the thing. Because you know, right now we're in the era of information. So Willy sound tape available on YouTube, for instance.
Mm-hmm.
So even if you weren't, I mean, I was a youth and a picnic growing up when the sound tape in that culture. So we used to get the sound tape and listen to everything. But for these youngsters, it's still available out there, so they can listen and learn and say, "Yo."
Exactly. That's what I'm saying.
Yes.
That's what I'm saying.
Yes. So that's the good thing.
Them do. These are the things because they have the natural talent, you know.
Yes, sir.
They have natural talent. Because me listen enough for them, and them have talent. The talent is there, but you need there's something there to boost the talent on another level.
Yes.
You see? So them have the talent. Me not like.
Definitely. Them bad. Me not like.
Unfortunately for them,
The sound system thing is not the same, so.
Yeah, yeah. But what I say is, you can do research and check and see what it was all about.
Yes, of course.
Yeah, man, them thing the billion man, I tell you.
Yeah, man. DJ travel pan, sound box, string up sound, all them sitting there. And that
yeah, man.
You know, yeah.
DJ, alright, man. He's a man, alright. He's a man used to lie down on my back, you know. And put cement block on my stomach, you know, and DJ on my back, you know.
Yo. That had next training.
You ever hear that? You ever hear that before?
No, sir. Why?
Me used to do that, brother.
That makes sense. Okay. Because that shows a work ethic that I hear in the song.
That's what I'm saying.
Yeah, I hear it in the song.
That's why
this ain't no regular artist.
That's why it's when we're up on stage, we can go for all a 2 hour, hour and a half. And
yeah. Right, straight.
I tell you.
Whoa. You know what? Again, I have to express my gratitude and show humility and whoa. Okay. This video is gonna done soon. So what we're gonna do, I'm gonna lock off and then we're gonna log back in, yeah? Because I need all of this, yeah? Because we got some more to do. All right, so yeah, everybody who's tuning in, Mr. Ghost Rider, Mr. Idris Elba, and Willy Sound man right here. Big up everybody. We're gonna lock off, come back in, yeah? All right, voila. Yes, sir.
If you come to kill, just kill. You know, nobody coming at the place with the whole heap of chat. The lip service, and we no respect that. You fi fire enough shot. If you see a bow cat, you fi fire enough shot. If you see a faggot, you fi fire enough shot. Just
R.I.P. Captain Barkley, by the way.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
You know what, general Latin music.
Done know.
Yeah, man, Barkley, a general in the music.
Yes, sir. All right, so I don't want to keep, I don't know what your schedule is like, so I want to just get into what we get into so you can go about your business if you're busy. Again, thank you for donating your time, energy. This is precious. This is history, people.
Every time, brother. Nothing wrong with it, something, man. A music, you know, one umbrella, you know, brother.
Don't know. Respect.
Yeah, man, anytime, man.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Much appreciated. So, next tune, we're going to go to 2000 again. The record name was, the record label was Rec One. I'm not sure exactly 100% who was owning that one, but this tune right here is a song, again, that came out, and it was, it's like, again, it just shows your versatility and how great you are at holding a rhythm and just taking it in your direction and, you know.
Yes.
So,
yes.
I'm not going to say anything because I just want you to hear it and get that reaction, you know. You know what? I'm just going to drop it. And yo, we can talk about it after. All right, so ladies and gentlemen, again, this is the legend that is Megah Banton. So let's roll.
Hey, I knew there for some boy I call him some minutes, fill it. The boy them get the girl in prescription and can't fill it. 1 minute, finish. Yo. The girl them no want no minutes, fill it, them want a man. We steal the fish and drill this. Guinness with it, I want a man. We ready to take them to this highest limits and have them crawling on them knees and have beg. You fi finish and have beg. You fi finish, them want no minutes, fill it, them want a man. We steal the fish and drill this. Guinness with it, I want a man. We ready to take them to this highest limits and have them crawling on them knees and have beg. You fi finish and have beg. You fi finish, them boy them. Tell about that what's up. Make the girl them a run down the stuff. I want people laugh and laugh back about man everywhere we go. Show me the boy no drink no 7 and a like feed or the Guinness in my blood, give them it all to satisfy them ego. Y'all all about from Canada down in Puerto Rico. Jamaican girls are fight to rape me when my Puerto Rico. Me born up a boy with E.T. that no right amigo. Well, yes indeed, man of the girl them hero them no want no. Then it's really them want a man. We steal the fish and drink this. Then it's really I want a man. We ready to take them.
Yo.
Brother. You know what I'm saying? All right, I'm going to tell you a drama now. What's a drama, you know, right?
Yes, sir.
You know what I'm saying? I doubt if me ever hear about a song from record it.
You see? Well, you know. This is why I'm here.
I recall the label. Which label you said it, Stefan?
Rec One. REC-1.
RC1.
RC1, there you go. You did 2 tunes for the rhythm, because you did a tune with Bobby Crystal. Remember that tune there?
What's this now? Okay.
Yes. Maybe see
RC1.
Yes.
RC1 was based in Portmore.
Okay.
Right? They was based in Portmore. Ricky General.
Yeah.
Was the person who introduced me to RC1 too.
Okay.
Because he was signed, Ricky General was signed to RC1, you know.
Okay. All right.
Yes, that is Bronco. Big up
yeah,
Bronco.
There you go. That's the one. Yeah. It's on the 45 still. It's just I didn't make it.
So
yeah.
A group named ARP.
Yes. Dabil, them man there.
Yes. I think them was signed to RC1 at the time too.
I see.
Yes, in Portmore. So Ricky General was the one who introduced me to RC1.
Yes.
That's where these songs come in.
Yes.
In between time. Because you know me dead now. Them are have rhythm. Them time me and Daddy Vic do road too. Me and Daddy Vic do song for them too.
Yes.
Combination for RC1 too. Yeah, so all of them songs now was just routine, regular, just running and hear rhythm and voice song. You know what thing go?
Yeah.
You just go there and hear rhythm bad, song bad, we just voice and left it. I first not hear about that. All right. After I record it,
yeah,
I probably hear it back in the studio when it play. But from that it come out, I not hear it back.
Wow. I first heard it
somewhere in the world and it just get there. Just one of the bad songs I actually want to put out.
I first heard it on you did a dub plate for Fire Links.
Yes.
That's where I first heard it, and then of course I got the 45 and the rhythm, the rest of the rhythm, you know. Bling Dog is on it, Elephant and you know, Delhi, you know. Yeah. But yo, that tune right there.
Listen to me.
Minutes.
Yo, you have got to send me some of them songs there. Send me some of them.
Yes, definitely.
We can download them back.
Definitely.
I have them, you know. I mean, I have them, you know.
Yeah, that's mad. Definitely. You know, again, I'm a collector, so for me personally, you know,
listen to me, brother. All right, is it from here? Is it from here? You got that song there a while ago.
Yeah.
Me don't say that man have everything. Let me see you gonna say me don't have everything, brother. Yeah, man, me don't have everything.
Yeah, man. So, yeah, man. Well, I truly love the music. You know what I say?
You see that, man?
Yeah,
see
man.
that. You love the music.
Yeah.
You have the love of the music, so you're not wrong, but that's a great move.
Yeah, because when I used to buy 45, main place I used to go is Black Dread Record, which was in Brixton, South London. And I'm coming from East London, so enough of them South London man there, you know, people like Galflex, they didn't even know I'm from East London, because they just see me.
Yes.
But I'm a man, I was all over the place still, West London, Red Tail. So anytime I used to go to Blacker, anytime I used to ask him for Megah. I bought rhythms with you on it. You know what I mean? Because I know that every Megah tune is gonna be back. So I want the Megah.
Yeah, man.
A
lot of people. Listen up. Back in the days when man used to buy a record, you know.
Yeah.
I know we used to have Aquarius out there.
Yes.
Record sales them a move and thing, and you have like Sonic Sounds, TME and thing. Now people used to tell me, say, when I'm buy a record, you know, and them ask them, and them ask like myself, who would have been ready? And them say, yo, Megah, and some other artists and some other man. And I say, let me hear the song them. And when I say, all right, I'll play the Megah. I said, no, you don't have to play the Megah. I know it bad. Just give me the word.
Yeah.
You have them type of person there. Like Lucky D, like same with Lucky D and some enough other artists though.
Yeah.
Someone name have a listening because they know it I go bad. You understand?
Yes.
I'm gonna say, who the pan it? Lucky, me name have a listen that man. Lucky, you bad. Give me.
Yes.
Enough of them people then I read.
Yes, sir. Throughout the career again, what I noticed is that when it comes to the I mean, you basically, I mean, you chat about anything still, but most of the lyrics them is gal tune and gun tune. Most of them. I mean, there's ganja tune and rare and you know, reality and all the rest of it, but it's like when you're going into them, they're sitting there, you can hear the details. So it's not just oh yeah, I love woman, rare. No, boom, you're gonna describe the whole anatomy. And when it comes to the gun thing, the gun thing is another story. You know, you can chat about gun in a tune better than real gunman can talk.
Exactly.
In real life, yeah,
because we do it like a movie.
Yes.
You understand?
Yes.
We do it like a movie. We do it like a written script.
Yes.
All of my songs are a script, you know. It's like a movie script.
I'm about to play one that is exactly that. You can hear it. It's like you're having a conversation and you're telling a story. All right?
Yes.
So this rhythm, again, another big rhythm that bus. But there was a rhythm album because out here in the UK, but they went worldwide anyway. Green Sleeves, they put this on one of their rhythm album back in 2003. Huge rhythm, big.
Yeah.
But your song, for some reason, was missed out of it. I'm not sure why, but maybe it was too bad for the album because the tune bad, right?
Maybe.
So we're gonna go into it. This is 2003. King of King record label. Scatter was the producer. I'm not sure if you remember this one, but yo, gonna play this one. Listen lyrics, people. All right. Man, them who cut that, all you sound, man, them listen it to them. All right. Me gonna send you all of the tune them still, Mega.
Me need them.
Yeah, definitely.
Me need them.
Boom. Anywho, all right, let's roll. Again, I'm warning you people. Listen lyrics. All right.
Yeah.
Oh.
I never know that running somebody's what's gonna be so easy.
Yo, people, listen lyrics. Hold on.
Some boy thinks me the other day. Me not understand them. Me know we invest in the gun and all the band them. Me we kidnap people and me hang them. Illustrate the war when me sing them in me song them. Me real bigger phone. Me not trust a damn them. Still when me see them, me stand up. Me run from them. Me know we born with the great X can them. We know ready for orders to hand them. Alright, them know some Batman we a beer machine. Me and a play beer machine. Me a talk about some black party by some beer machine. We didn't correct plus days and be me a scale. We wear machine. Don't that pass so if me gun sick. Me go go X-ray machine. Pass the spill me spray machine. See me business come and spike up or shut up push your way back in. Me a talk about shot gear machine. Shot machine. Then pass him on a beer machine. When you see we clear the beers a scene. That we have guns with laser beam. Me a go to me machine. Me a donkey with beer machine. Me a
Man say him a donkey with beer machine. Yo.
Yeah, man. Where say, man? Fear, like I say.
Yo.
Yeah, man. Dream, man. Scatter, man. Scatter, man.
Baddest tune for the rhythm, yes, sir. Me I tell you that from now.
Man.
Yes, sir. And the baddest tune for the rhythm, straight.
Yeah, man. Green star with it. It's not them never. I don't know what go on with it with green sleeve or whatever. I don't know what, but it's all good to be a better car, you know. The greatest thing it come out and it do it have to do better.
Yes, of course, of course.
You know, once it come out and do it have to do, me not have no problem with it, brother. He's a man just, me still grateful. You know what I mean? Cause the greatest thing is when you can record a song and know say, yo, it come out. Once it come out, your fans them gonna hear it and them gonna gravitate to it, same like how the I do it.
Yes.
So me no worry about that, brother, whether them put it on it or not. You know what I mean? This is an experiment, as me I tell you, don't know. We're going to scatter Kings of Kings and just shut up on them rhythm and move again.
Yes, man.
You know?
Listen.
In at the same time that upon the corner them come up.
Yes,
go on a bench or some place and I drop some like a 1-1. Some like a 1-1 landmine here and there and move.
You
see me? It's a song when you're millennium face, but the rifle rhythm. We are live on a millennium phase. Minimum wage lifestyle is at a minimum stage. And that was supposed to go on a rhythm to what? Yeah, say, you know, so me I do my thing so I can get dub plate work.
Yes,
exactly. Plate work, you know. So I do my thing so I can do dub plate work. So if we do that, the sound man, I'm going to cut it on dub. Yeah. And so said, so done. Because most of my gun song, I do it because of sound system situations. Clash. Do it so that the sound man can cut it and clash and use it and clash basically. And I like me I think that me gratify, you know.
No, I mean it's art. It's art. Because I do it. Yeah,
I do it
remember
because
like I said, you are my DJ.
Sound system
so it's
purpose.
Like,
clash purpose.
Of course.
Me like the culture, me like the sound clash culture and everything that's sound system culture. Because man always got to put in my input in a ways where me can, you understand? And that's a part of it.
Of
you
course.
See me?
Yes.
Yes, so I just say the brother. You see me?
I don't watch the gunman thing or Reggae because at the end of the day, music is music. I can listen to Brazilian music, me not even know where they might talk, but you know, just feel the rhythm. So if a man comes singing to me about gun, it don't make me want to come take up gun and kill nobody because I haven't done that yet. Right. And I listen to
real.
You know?
For real. Yeah, that makes no sense.
Exactly. So it's art to me, so I don't watch that.
It's just to be in tune with the music. Once you're in tune with the music,
yes.
You know what I mean? And you're here to do the music.
Yes.
You know, these things will happen, you know what I mean? So it's not nothing where we're going to say, boy, all right, I'll be specific on certain things when I go do and leave out certain things. No, all aspect.
Yeah, of course. Full circle.
You know what I mean?
Full circle.
As I tell you before, he's a man, we experiment a lot with the music.
Yes.
Experiment a lot.
I'm glad you said that because I'm going to play another song which I suspect was another experiment.
Yes.
Again, I did say picking out 5 tunes for you to talk about was hard because I've got a lot. It was difficult to pick them, but I thought, you know what? You went different on this one, but even though you did this song in the way you did it, you still full up the tune full of lyrics and flow and everything. And I was like, what can't this man do? So this is the last one. Again, this one is 2006. So we went from 1998 up to 2006. So this particular rhythm was more like a one drop or a conscious rhythm. You had a lot of romantic songs and job business. So the rhythm is called the Handle rhythm. Free Willy is the productions. I mean, again, there was an album that came out. You weren't on it. I have no idea why, but yo, whatever. I mean, but of course, this again, one of the baddest tune for the rhythm. So
brother, I got you. All right, I got you that enough time, you know.
Yeah, I can imagine.
Brother, that's a part of me.
Yes,
all right,
sir.
people over the world has me as most underrated artist in the world.
Definitely.
But say, hey,
definitely.
Why me? But hey, you understand?
Well, you know, I do believe when you're not hype, when you don't have the hype and the rare tear.
Yeah, I think so. It's because I'm just the humble person that I am, and you know, true, I'm good with everybody, I deal with everybody good, and I deal with love, and I deal with people. Oh, me feel like people should have been dealt with.
Yes.
And oh, me should have been dealt with in return.
Yes, indeed.
Sometimes people don't. I don't know. People have a tendency to not liking that type of vibe. You know. They like when you're hostile and them you're vigorous and you're boisterous and you know deal with people mess up in a certain way. But hey, it is what it is, brother.
Yeah, it is what it is.
Me can't change me. October I'm born. My mother and my father brought me up good.
Yes. Yes, sir.
You see me? So that's certain things said. We just apply the same trade as I go along. Yes,
of course. I think just to echo what you were saying, I think if you find somebody who is on the top of the tree in whatever lane they're in, more time than people they are fuckery. Just to put that out there.
For real.
More time.
For real.
More time. You know. So anyway, I'm just gonna play this one song and then we're gonna go into it. So people, this is the Handle Rhythm. 2006 is the year. Listen to this beautiful song because we hear some bad man tune, we hear some gal tune. But
my mom is a man to do anything. Anywhere them go, me dead, man. Anywhere them go. Anywhere them go, me dead, I can't kite. Anywhere them go, me dead, I can't kite.
Exactly. And this is the proof right here. Yes, you know what I mean? Say no more. All right.
No one knows what the journey of life will bring. Still you got to keep hanging on.
And be strong.
In this crazy world where evil lies within, never let the devil get you down. Do no wrong, no. Still you got to do what you got to do in the best way you can.
Do what you got to do.
And just be true when you think you do, cause a man is just a man.
Listen lyrics, people.
Oh, just do what you got to do in the best way you can. Yeah, and never you choose to be the ones who don't remove from the sinking sand. No, yo, well now it's not the time to play around like some kids in the park. Just like a wandering sheep who get lost in the dark.
In the dark.
Without the road. Watch without the wicked, but dressed in a clean clothes. Life is just a journey, it is a heavy load. Never do pick up more than what you can afford. I just raise a set it for my friends and for my folks. I want to put out the life, it comes with a running out. long, no see the one reap when it grows. So we dash hot time on them and those now. So
do what you got to do in the best way you can.
Yo.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah,
Bedroom.
Yes. I'm telling you.
Yeah. You know, I mean, for me personally, I could, you know, if I get the opportunity to interview anyone in this world, I mean, for anything, you would definitely be on the top of that list. This is outside of music. Outside of music, brethren.
A real thing, man.
Something else.
Listen to me. Real thing, brother. All right, this is a song, you know. This was like the Free Willy project now. Cause remember now, all right, watch this now. Arthur Wheel. Arthur Wheel is a man where he come from foreign and the man just say, all right, Megah and Delhi, yo, I wanna make me build studio, you know.
Okay.
I tell you, so the man come and the man build him studio. Don't have to while there. And say, see there, I wanna make a build it. So I wanna deal with it.
Yes, sir.
So this was the Free Willy project and from back in the time, from 2000. We had the Free Willy project from about 2000.
2004? Oh,
no, from 2000.
Okay.
Yeah, because 2001.
Yes.
Them time there. You see me? And you know, Arthur forward and build the studio.
Yeah,
I'm really down there. Some other youths. Even Benjamin from Friends for Real.
Okay.
You know Benjamin from Friends for Real, right?
No, you know what? No, who that?
Them have them one studio now, the Friends for Real studio, but them started out at Free Willy.
Okay. No, I'm gonna need to do my homework on that one.
Well, them big in the thing now.
I probably know, but don't know. I know. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. That too.
You know, they have everything on there. Yeah.
Yeah. So what I was doing there them time, then you know, started the Free Willy project.
Yes.
You know, this angle was one of the rhythm them. You have Father Jungle Rock. Yes.
They put that out. Yes. I can't remember the rhythm name, but there was a tune with Shabba and Arthur Wheel upon it. Yeah. I can't remember the rhythm. Yeah.
He Speaks. You have Barber.
Yes. Yeah.
Arthur Wheel project. You know, even Pon the Corner was Pon the Corner. That's John song still, you know. It's off the label. Yeah. But all of that was orchestrated at Free Willy.
Free Willy. Yeah. Okay.
The video. If you look on the video, the front part of the video that's Free Willy. Most of the video, some couple part of the video shoot in a Free Willy studio.
Yes. Okay.
In a studio.
Yes.
So all of them, even Pon the Corner, Rise It, one of them songs that will come, them time there. Every Day I Rise. One of them there a Free Willy project. Basically.
Yeah, I see.
Them orchestrate. And some other ones women I mentioned, the Barber project too. You know, Willy. Arthur Wheel is a man where him love the music to a level and him just decides, you know, me and Delhi there we do some things and you know, support him, him do what him have to do, we do what we have to do.
Yeah.
You know, him there said we are doing thing up to this day, you know, him still a produce, him still there doing thing, him have him clash thing when him keep on the Thursday. Him have doing things said here. So these projects was while we there Free Willy project, when we got Free Willy. And then again it wasn't just about music we are Arthur Wheel neither.
Yeah.
It was more like a family level, because different from music, we par, you know. Yeah man, we go enough places, you know, we have fun same way out of music.
Yes.
You understand?
Yes.
Yeah man, so Arthur Wheel, bless up yourself, Arthur Wheel too.
Yes man.
Delhi and same way, you know.
Yeah, Delhi, yeah. There's a few artists them on my list. You know, we have to talk music, you know. Now while everybody's at home, but there's history that you people have. I mean, I do say this, that I'm not in the business of hailing up a man when him dead. Chicken were just gone. Chicken up bad DJ, of course. But let's, you know, rate the man, the living legends that are alive. Let's hear this story. Man. You know what I mean?
That's it.
You know what I mean? So for me, I'm just grateful that I can show appreciation for you and your artistry, what it's meant for me. And I know for people that see this in the future, you know, I don't have no big following because I'm not really rare, but me little about the talent I see, and I know that this history will go out there and it will live for 40 years from now, and you know what I mean. So
it is what it is. Yeah, so
big honor. Thank you.
Angle project was a classic as I hear it. You have a brother named DJ Cat to play on the radio out here. Always playing that song, always playing it, always. Over the years, the man just always play that song.
Yeah, that song was bad.
The last time I went to New York, one of my producer in New York named Bobby Brutal.
I know that.
You know, asked me, who for song that song yeah? I mean, I say, you know, say, I told you that song, but me just hear it. You know, I mean, I say, well, they ain't brother. You know, some have some bad song with them, some corner with them try to push on in some corner.
Yes.
Some bad song with them push on in some corner. And people go say here and say, wait, I do another corner, jog it out.
Yeah.
Put it on the forefront. Like what you are doing.
Yeah, man. I don't know. Well, again, I love the music, so I realize nobody doesn't know about this stuff. So my thing is just to try and bring awareness to your catalog, because it was how many years ago? Yes, but everybody loves 90s music, and I'm like, okay, so why don't we hear 90s music? You keep playing the same shit.
Yes.
Give me some catalog, give me some tune. Stop playing Willy and Banton. Yes, give them props, fair enough, but the rhythm them full. Where's the, you know what I mean? You know, so man, oh man, sir. Again, it's a great pleasure and honor. I say this a lot, that you know, you can spend all kind of money and you can get it back. You can lose how many gal, get them back. Time is something that is spent and you can never get it back. So you have donated your time to share with me in this platform, and again, I'll be eternally grateful.
Brother, just listen, man.
Sir. Yes, sir.
At any time, remember, all right, watch it now. You have my number, you know, brother.
Yes, done.
At any time, you can pick up the phone and call me.
Thank you very much, sir. Definitely. I've got a few things I'm thinking about, you know, to
man.
A bigger platform and rare, but look,
man. When you're ready, man, just one link, man. I mean, I say, let's bless up everybody out there. We have
sir.
We're on the live and a check in, you know what I mean?
Definitely.
You know, we can't just big
worldwide.
Up everybody.
Worldwide.
Everybody. Tico Destiny, you don't know. I see the whole of the gang. Of the gang there.
Yes, indeed.
Bless up on ourselves, Zane. Love Line.
Selector SP Toronto.
Selector SP Toronto. Big up everybody when they're on the live. You see,
man. Jatty, big up yourself, Jatty Jr. Big up.
Yeah, man, I much love, man. I just the thing there, brother, man.
Yo, Mr. Reed, where I say God, big up. Yo, Megah, thank you again for your time and energy.
Blessings, brother.
I'm gonna let you go, so I'm just gonna spin a couple Megah tune them or whatnot. You can, you know, do what I do and have a good day.
Yeah, man, blessings. Yes, I keep the fire burning, man.
Yes,
sir. Give thanks for the energy.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Great pleasure.
I'm be safe. Protection. Yes, I'm be safe for you there, yes, sir.
Yeah, you too, man. Yeah,
man. Blessings.
All right,
blessings,
we'll link up, yeah?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. All right, big man. Respect. Yes, sir.
Respect.
Woo! So, people, that was Megah Banton. I mean, as you can hear from some of this music I've been playing, you know, a lot of you haven't heard none of this stuff, and it's a shame. But at the same time, I mean, at least, you know, there's a time for everything. So now you're hearing some of the music from his catalog, that certain big rhythms that he was on that didn't, you know, the tune them didn't come out and all the rest of it. But, you know, so anyway, before I check out of it, again, thank you for everybody that's tuned in worldwide. And what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to play a couple of Megah B tunes from the archives. I'm going to try my best to play a tune them that you don't hear every day, that can't be downloaded and rare tear, you know. So, yeah, so let's just go with it. So we're going to start off with, let's go to 1998 again. All right, hold on there. Let me just spin some tune. Oh! They must love to just listen lyrics. That's what bad man song this. I feel like I'm need a compass. I'm going to find the game compass. Yeah! What did you plan to do? Kill the killing and then no that. Nowhere. Fight up and play dumb. The sacrifice for me little with a this and no that. Nowhere. Not that. Nowhere.